Moving can be overwhelming, but decluttering beforehand makes the process smoother, faster, and less stressful. Today, we'll walk through the ultimate decluttering strategy to help you pack only what truly matters and ensure a fresh start in your new home. 1. Start early and plan ahead. The biggest mistake people make is waiting until the last minute. Give yourself at least 4 to 6 weeks to declutter gradually. Set a timeline and work through your home one space at a time.
Action tip. Streepje.
Mark decluttering sessions on your calendar. Dedicate at least 30 minutes per day. Use a checklist to track progress. 2. Sort your items into 4 categories. To make decisions easier, use the 4-box method. Keep, donate, sell, and trash. Be honest with yourself. If you haven't used it in over a year, do you really need it? Action tip. Set up designated boxes and label them. Make quick decisions to avoid second-guessing. Ask, does this serve a purpose or bring me joy? 3. Declutter room by room. Tackling one space at a time prevents burnout. Focus on key areas: bedroom, clothes that no longer fit, mismatched socks, old accessories. Kitchen, expired food, duplicate utensils, chipped plates, unnecessary gadgets. Living room, old magazines, outdated decor, and used electronics. Bathroom, expired toiletries, old makeup, unnecessary bottles. Garage/storage, broken tools, old furniture, forgotten holiday decorations. Action tip. Set a timer for each session. Keep only what you regularly use or love. 4. Use the 1-year rule. If you haven't used it in a year, it's time to let go. This applies to clothes, kitchen gadgets, and even sentimental items that no longer serve a purpose. Action tip. For sentimental items, take a photo before letting go. Keep a memory box for truly special items. 5. Digitize paper clutter. Instead of moving stacks of old bills, notes, and documents, scan important ones and store them digitally. Action tip. Use cloud storage, Google Drive, Dropbox for easy access. Shred anything that contains personal information. 6. Sell or donate what you can. Selling items can help offset moving costs, while donating benefits others. Action tip. Use online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Find local charities accepting donations. 7. Dispose of unwanted items properly. Not everything can go in the trash. Recycle and dispose responsibly. Action tip. Check local recycling programs. Dispose of hazardous materials safely. Batteries, old paint, electronics. 8. Create an essentials box. Pack a separate box with everyday essentials, important documents, a change of clothes, toiletries, and items you'll need immediately upon arrival. Action tip. Label the box clearly. Keep it easily accessible for moving day. 9. Avoid emotional hoarding. It's easy to hold on to items for sentimental reasons, but be selective. Keep only those that truly bring joy and have meaning. Action tip. Ask yourself, does this add to my future or keep me stuck in the past? Let go with gratitude for the memories. 10. Label and organize your boxes. Once you've decluttered, pack efficiently. Label each box with its contents and intended room to make unpacking seamless. Action tip. Use color-coded labels for different rooms. Keep a moving checklist to track progress. Decluttering before a move saves you time, money, and effort. It ensures you start fresh in your new home with only the things that add value to your life. A clutter-free move is a stress-free move.